Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the game-changing features of the Apple Watch Ultra 3, a device that promises to raise the bar for smartwatches. With a unique blend of cutting-edge technology, health, insights, and refined design, the Ultra 3 is here to reshape the future of wearables. As Apple continues to innovate in the wearable tech space, the Ultra 3 stands as a remarkable milestone in its journey. Let's explore what makes this new model a must-have for tech enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. Health monitoring. Like never before, Apple has always been at the forefront of health tech, and with the Apple Watch Ultra 3, they're taking it even further. One of the most anticipated features is the blood pressure monitoring function. While not a substitute for medical equipment, this tool will be a game-changer in helping users detect early signs of hypertension, which is essential for managing long-term health. This new addition works alongside the existing ECG, atrial fibrillation detection, and blood oxygen features that make the Ultra 3 an all-in-one health companion. In addition to these, sleep tracking has also been enhanced. With smarter algorithms, the Ultra 3 will provide deeper insights into your sleep cycles, helping you understand the quality of your rest. This is a fantastic feature for anyone looking to improve their overall well-being. By accurately monitoring your health metrics, this device empowers you to take control of your health journey in real time. Revolutionary connectivity features. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 takes connectivity to a whole new level with its satellite communication capabilities. Now, even in areas where traditional cellular or Wi-Fi coverage is non-existent, you can send messages and stay connected via satellite. This is especially useful for those who love outdoor adventures or find themselves in remote locations where cellular networks aren't available. With Globalstar's partnership, the Ultra 3 ensures seamless, reliable satellite messaging. Furthermore, the 5G RedCap technology is expected to be integrated into the Ultra 3, which will significantly boost data transfer speeds and connection reliability. With this, the watch will reduce its dependency on paired smartphones, offering users more independence and better performance on its own. Whether it's for emergencies, fitness tracking, or everyday communication, the Ultra 3 will keep you connected like never before. Sleek design and powerful display. Apple has always had a reputation for sleek and stylish designs, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a slimmer profile, making it more comfortable for extended wear while still retaining the rugged durability the Ultra series is known for. Whether you're at the gym, on a hike, or simply going about your daily life, the Ultra 3 blends effortlessly with any lifestyle. Another exciting feature is the micro LED screen, which will offer a significant improvement in display technology. Expect brighter visuals, sharper text, and more vibrant colors while benefiting from greater energy efficiency. The display will not only be more durable, but also more responsive, providing an outstanding visual experience. Whether you're checking messages, tracking your workouts, or simply enjoying the interface, the Ultra 3's display is built to impress. Performance and battery life upgrades. Under the hood, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to be powered by the S11 chip, promising faster processing and improved energy efficiency. This chip will optimize the device's performance, allowing for smooth, lag-free operation, faster app launches, and an overall seamless user experience. Users can enjoy improved app interactions, fluid performance, and a smoother transition between tasks. Battery life has also been enhanced, with the Ultra 3 offering extended usage that lasts longer on a single charge. It's expected to feature a redesigned back that enables quicker charging times, meaning you'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying the features of this powerhouse device. Software and user experience. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 will run on the latest watchOS, delivering an intuitive and fluid user experience. It will include smarter Siri integration to make voice interactions more seamless and accurate. Additionally, there will be an expanded selection of customizable watch faces, allowing users to personalize their devices in a way that suits their unique style. Fitness enthusiasts will also appreciate the new workout modes and advanced activity tracking options. Whether you're into running, swimming, cycling, or weightlifting, the Ultra 3 will provide you with the most detailed and precise metrics to elevate your training regimen. This is perfect for anyone looking to track their progress and optimize their fitness results. Release date and price. Apple is expected to launch the Apple Watch Ultra 3 in September 2025, aligning with its usual product launch schedule. The price point is anticipated to start at $799, which is in line with previous Ultra models. Given the significant upgrades in performance, connectivity, and health tracking, this price offers exceptional value for a premium smartwatch that's packed with features designed for tech enthusiasts and those with an active lifestyle. Final thoughts. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is more than just an upgrade. It's a whole new level of wearable tech. With its combination of advanced health monitoring, superior connectivity features, and a refined design, this smartwatch stands to be one of the most sought-after devices on the market. Whether you're looking to monitor your health more effectively, stay connected in remote areas, or enjoy a sleek, high-performing smartwatch, the Ultra 3 will have you covered. Get ready to experience the future of wearables when the Apple Watch Ultra 3 hits the shelves. With its cutting-edge technology and user-centric design, Apple continues to lead the way in the smartwatch industry. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed reviews as we get closer to the release date. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights and updates from Techno Trend Zone.